Imagine two people starting with one becomes successful, the other stays where they started. The difference isn't talent, it isn't luck. It's something called the ladder theory. Every expert begins on the exact same first step. No money, no experience, no shortcuts. The only thing separating winners from everyone else is taking the next step after every failure. The first success feels amazing until you discover it was only the beginning. Every new level reveals an even bigger challenge waiting above.
Most people believe working longer hours guarantees success. But this is where almost everyone gets trapped, because effort alone eventually reaches its limit. The people who climb the fastest don't simply work harder. They build systems that keep moving even when they're not. But the next level demands something even more difficult. One person can only do so much, but the moment you stop doing everything yourself, your progress multiplies. This is where workers become leaders. Yet one final obstacle stops almost everyone: